Alright, this is the unboxing and refill of Windex Value Refill right here. This is Windex Unbeatable Streak Free Shine right here. As you can see, I bought this right here. It's 2 liters and it's equivalent to 3 2.9 triggers, okay? The 23 ounce trigger units, and that's what this one is right here. It's a 29 ounce unit, as you can see. Actually, it's 23 ounce. Made a mistake, but this is equivalent to 3 of these right here, and the value of this was about $7, and I believe the value of this right here when I buy in the store is about $3 and some change. So I'm actually saving by buying this refill. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually refill this and show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do is just going to open up the top. Go ahead and smell that so you can see what it smells like. And then I'm going to open the top of the Windex, the 23 ounce right here, and I'm just going to pour it in like this, okay? Get a little bit of the top froth. You just pour it in like that. Alright, so I just refilled the 23 ounce, and then I'm going to put the top back on just like this. Alright, smells fresh like Windex. Alright, so have that. And then that's how you refill it. So that's the unboxing and refill of the Windex Value Refill. Let me know if you have any questions.